Here I have CUBOT Quest, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the second option, reboot to bootloader, and after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. As you can see, small letters here saying Fastboot mode, which is the proof that we are here. So if you want to quit this mode, just hold down power key for about 7 seconds, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.